Tired of hunting through Zendesk menus just to reset a user's password? Learn the exact 7 steps to send a password reset email in under 3 minutes. First, we'll navigate to the user's profile. Then, we'll open their security settings and trigger the password reset email. First, you'll navigate to the home page of your Zendesk dashboard. Then, click on the Customers icon in the left sidebar to pull up your list of users. Now, click on the name of the user whose password you want to reset. Once you're on their profile, click on Security Settings. In Security Settings, locate the Password section. Then, click the Reset button. And just like that, an email with reset instructions will be sent to the user. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.